Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Invent a Brief, I'm going to show you how to use another great plugin. The Invent a Brief plugin is not included in the default plugin set, so in order to use it, you'll need to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and you'll need to find Invent a Brief in the list. I'll highlight Invent a Brief and press Download. I'll press OK once it's been downloaded. And now I can go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. I'll select Invent a Brief, select Enable, and then press OK. Eclipse will prompt me to restart. And once I restart Eclipse, if I go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, Invent a Brief is enabled. And it says if I go to Edit, Extras, Invent a Brief, that this command will now be listed. So I'm going to go to Edit, Extras, and I do see Invent a Brief. I'm going to type in the word or phrase that I want to get briefs for. I'll press OK. Next, I can select whichever brief I'd like to accept. Press OK. Press OK again. And next, I can select which dictionary I'd like this entry to go into. For this one, I'm going to select my main dictionary. And now if I open my main dictionary, I see that brief there just as I requested. And I can continue going to Edit, Extras, Invent a Brief, type in whatever word or phrase I'd like to get a brief for, select the brief I want to use, confirm the steno, and then put it into a dictionary of my choice. And as soon as you do that, that entry is saved into your dictionary. This is just one more of the many great plugins available in Eclipse 11. And don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.